For this activity today, we are going to make some mummies out of elastic bands and a toilet roll. So what you'll need is just a pot of elastic bands and then any toilet roll or kitchen roll holder. Start by placing the elastic bands over the toilet roll and slide them to one end. Continue doing this until you have covered the full toilet roll in elastic bands. Continue sliding the elastic bands on, trying to cover the whole toilet roll. Try and fit as many on as you possibly can. When you've got as many elastic bands on as you can then move them around and add your eyes and mouth to finish off your mummy.